Hello and welcome back to LucasLack124. The short of it is, I built a rocket. All I did is take some 3/4 inch pipe fittings, a length of pipe, and a 3/4 inch to 1/2 inch, and a 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch pipe adapter, and screw them all together, make some rocket candy, put it inside, and launch off a rocket. Now this is, as you can see, a rocket testing platform in the literal sense, as there is a rocket testing platform, but also a rocket testing platform, for we will be experimenting with different nozzle configurations to find out the best method for, well, thrust production in a solid-fueled rocket. So this is test 1.
Okay, here's rocket test.
So this was test 1. To find out the thrust generated by a rocket is very simple. All we have to do is take the mass in grams of the fuel that we put in the rocket, which is 63 grams because the rocket engine weighed 480 grams with the fuel and 417 grams without. That gives you 63 grams. And then we have to take the burn time of the rocket, which was approximately 50 seconds. This gives us a burn rate of about 1.26 grams per second. That's a very slow burn rate, which we can fix by adding in some oxide. The oxide of choice, of course, will be copper oxide, because iron oxide, however beneficial it may be for its cheap price, is not as effective an oxidizer as copper oxide. So we'll be experimenting with copper oxide for sure in the future. Anyway, without a nozzle, knowing this burn rate and looking at the scale, of course, which you probably can't see, which is kind of defeating the whole purpose of this, we had a thrust of about 250 to 300 grams consistently, or peak thrust rather. There were a lot of air bubbles in this. This was not a very good run, but it was just a setup test run, and it certainly worked well. So this has been LucasLack124. Expect some more updates in the future on making some candy rocket engines. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.